What's up, kings and queens? It's your girl Kayla DeReese. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you are returning, what's good? So today I'm going to be showing you all how I make my thumbnails for all of my YouTube videos. Before we jump into that, if you have not done so, please hit the subscribe button. That would help me out a lot. Also, be sure to comment and like this video if you like it. Alright guys, to start, you'll want to make sure that you have the Canva app, the Canva, and go ahead and open that up. Once you're there, you're going to search for YouTube thumbnails. Most of the time it'll pop up automatically and you can just click on it. Alright guys, once you are in the YouTube thumbnail list, you can either choose a pre-made template or click blank if you have pictures to insert. This time I'm going to be choosing blank. And then I'm going to push the plus sign that's on the right bottom corner and then just add the pictures that I want to use. So for this one, I'm using one, it's for a Amazon review. So I'm going to be using 3 pictures today. And all I'm going to do is resize the pictures to kind of fit how I want the thumbnail to look. Since I have 3 pictures, I want it to be like 3 screenshot type of pictures, like side by side. So I'm just going to add each picture individually and place them on the template. Good thing about Canva is that one is free. You can also get like a premium version, but aside from that, you can also search for images to use. You don't necessarily always have to have images to insert in your thumbnail or intro, outro, channel art, anything like that. They have a plethora of images that you can use if you search them. However, some of them are only available for the premium version of Canva. So as you can see, I'm just resizing all of my pictures to put them side by side and just kind of playing around with the spacing to make it look how I want it to. I even had to go back and like shift my pictures over a little bit to try and figure out exactly how I wanted to do it. Canva is a very good space to try and like play around with, you know, different options, especially because it's free. You're not, you know, wasting money if you don't understand how to use it. So now I'm just going to add the text by clicking the plus sign and then clicking add text. Then I'm just going to type in what I needed to say. So for this, it's an Amazon review. Typed in Amazon review and just change the color. You can also change the font if you would like. I changed it to a font that I typically use on my channel, but again, you can use whatever font you prefer. And just changing the sizing. I also have somewhat of a theme when it comes to my thumbnails as far as the text. So I'm going to be adding a solid square behind this box, this text box, just to make the text pop a little bit more. And I'm just doing that by adding a shape, changing the color, and then you'll see I'll go up to the right hand corner at the top, push those 3 circles that's in the, or 3 dots that's within the circle, push that, and then I'll be sending this box to the back with the stack that's next to the circle with the arrow pointing down. Alright guys, so after I do that, I'm just going to add a little more text. You can choose whatever type of format for your text box that you would like, or you can just choose to type in whatever text you want without the pre-made format. However, I'm going to be using one today. Once I type that in, I'm just going to adjust the color and sizing again to make it fit how I need it to fit. You can play around with the colors. Obviously, you want your words to stand out. So if you have a white background, you wouldn't choose white lettering. Or if you have a super light type of background, you don't want to necessarily put white wording on there. And if you do, then do something like I did at the bottom, where you have a solid color behind it so that it stands out. So now I'm just kind of playing around with the spacing, shifting it over, the sizing of it all, just to try and make it fit the way I need it to. I also did not want to cover up my eyes too much, but I did want the text box to look a certain way. So as long as I could end up still seeing the picture and seeing the words clearly, that's all that really mattered to me. Obviously, you can bold the wording or put it in italics, whatever your preference is. You can change the line spacing, the letter spacing, all of that good stuff to fit around the picture that you need it to fit. Alright guys, so next I'm actually going to be adding in some like decorative like stars. Obviously I did not use the stars on my actual thumbnail for this video, but I do know that that's like a common thing people do, is like add either like sparkles or glitter or stars or whatever. So I just did this for the purpose of showing you all. But you just click the plus sign, go to illustration, and then type in what you're looking for. So I'm just adding this in over my picture. However, I don't want it to cover up my face and cover up my words. So I'm actually going to send the stars to the back of the letters. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. If you have any further questions, just make sure you leave them in the comment section and I will be sure to respond. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.